It's another rainy day here in Florida. So let's make some beef and tequila stew on this Discada Plow Disc. This is a perfect recipe when that temperature cools down. I hope you stay with me. Now to get this cook going, just a little olive oil. You can see, just a little drizzle. I got 4 pieces of thick bacon cut up. It's a rainy, humid day here in Florida. It's wet everywhere. I got this Discada right now. The heat's turned on high. Plow disc, whatever you want to call it. Now you can see I'm starting to get some bacon fat in there. I got a cup of sweet onion chopped up. We're going to cook this till this bacon finishes up and these onions get translucent. It's probably been 5 or 6 minutes. You can see those onions are getting translucent. Now what I'm going to do is pull them off to the side here for a few minutes. Onions and bacon. Oh yeah. Here I've got 2.5 pounds. This is sirloin tip roast. It was $4 a pound, right? Looks like I didn't get that piece cut in two, but it'll come apart as it cooks. Okay. You can see I've cut it into 1.5 inch or so chunks. Okay. Now we're just going to brown it up. Now you can use salt and pepper, but I'm going to use this Loot and Booty What's Your Beef Rub. And like I say, use salt and pepper if you don't have this. If you have a beef rub you like, use that. I just want to season it up, right? I'd say that's good enough. I don't know, we might have put 1 to 2 tablespoons tops, probably closer to a tablespoon. And we're just going to let this beef brown up. It's been a couple of minutes. You can see, look at there, it's starting to get brown. That's what we're looking for. We're just looking for that beef to get brown. Okay, let's flip it over and get the other side brown. You can see our meat's browned up. Going to get those onions, bacon back down in here. That's what I'm talking about right there. Okay. Yeah, we got some tomato juice, chopped tomatoes. Oh yeah. Okay. Let's just stir those in a little bit. And then bring this heat back up. You can see our temperature's coming back up. Going to put some red bell pepper slices in here. Oh, forgot to get the sticker off of that one. And now we got carrots, celery, cilantro, garlic, I'm sorry, I said habanero, jalapeno peppers. Okay, let's get this stirred in. Now I've got a 15-ounce can of Garbanzo beans. Oh yeah, you know this is going to be good, don't you? Now we got some of this cenote tequila. Okay, going to put 1/2 cup, and then just a little bit more to be safe. Now I got 1/2 lime. Just going to put some lime juice in there. Oh yes, sir. We're going to get this stirred up like so. Right? I'm going to bring this back up to a simmer. Oh yeah. And to do that, I'm going to put this lid on here. And what I'm going to do now is let this go 15 to 20 minutes. It's been right at 17 minutes. Oh, look at that goodness right there. Now I got 3 cut up Idaho potatoes. Now there's a reason I waited that 15, 17 minutes before I put those potatoes in, right? I don't want to put those potatoes in the same time I put the tequila, because they'll suck that tequila right up, and I won't get any of that awesome tequila flavor in the beef. Okay, so that's why we wait a little bit. Now we're going to get this lid back on it and let it go about 45 minutes, and then we'll check on it. Our stew's been cooking an hour and a half. Look at that, look at that. I checked on it in an hour. It was still a little too thin. Now look at that. It's thickened up just the way I like my stew. Okay, so here's what we're going to do. I got some rice here, and I got some of that stew. And we're going to give this a try. There's our stew. Got us a piece of beef. Serve it up with some rice. Oh yeah. Let me get a tater, tomato. That's what I'm talking about. Winter deliciousness. That tequila flavoring. Oh my gosh. Jalapeno not too hot. Get some of those chickpeas.